Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a very common project, and that is repairing exterior front door wood rot, and I'm going to get started right now. Okay guys, so the wood rot is right here at the bottom, and it's not a whole lot, so I don't have a lot of work to do, but this is something that I want to take care of before it gets really bad. Before I get started, we're going to need two very important things. So the first thing is a plastic wood repair kit. You can get this at your local Home Depot. And the second thing is this wood hardener, which can also be found at your local Home Depot. So now that I have everything in place, I'm going to start removing the rot and any excess wood that looks like it has rotted. Use this to help loosen up some of the wood. I'm going to continue caulking out. So now I'm using screwdriver to get the last little bit of rot out of here. Okay, so now I've removed all of the wood rot, and the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the wood hardener. So you want to apply this because it creates a solid surface for actually filling the wood with the plastic filler. So I'm going to spray this and let this sit on the door for about 2 hours. Because it says it right here on the bottle. So I'm gonna spray it and let it to sit on the door for about 2 hours, and then I'll come back, fill the door in. And okay, so yeah, this is all the rot that I removed. I got most of it, or pretty much all of it, out. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint a wood hardener. So I actually thought this was a spray bottle, but it's not. So you'll need a paintbrush to apply it to the actual surface of where you want to fill in the wood filler. So position the camera here. All right, that's probably going to be the best angle. Okay, we'll do that. So. About 3 to 4 hours, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some of the wood filler. So let's see. Just want to make sure everything is dry with the door. This is the wood filler. See if I can open this. Oh, that's pretty easy. This is what it looks like. So I'm just going to use my hands to apply it. So this stuff actually smells pretty bad. So I'm going to be really quick with this. So I'm just going to fill it in here. It's actually really sticky too. I'm going to fill this in. This is where I filled in the rot with the plastic wood filler. So I'm gonna let this dry for like an hour and then come back and check on it, and I'm gonna add my final layer. Okay, so this is what my door looks like. I just finished filling it in completely. So tomorrow I'll come and see if it needs to be sanded down. It probably will need to be sanded down, but this is what it currently looks like. And of course I'm going to, this will harden and turn brown, and when it does, I'll paint over it with a fresh coat of paint.